This is the handover video on the Bailey Unicorn Valencia. So we'll start off at the front where you have your Alco hitch head and stabiliser. So handle needs to go up, toe bolt in, stabiliser slots it into place. So you see the green pin slot to say that your toe bolt is locked into place. Then to release, lift the stabiliser up like so. Breakaway cable, handbrake, jockey wheel, handle. Battery lock, gas locker where you have your bulkhead regulator and two slots for 2 6 kg propane gas locker. Then you have your 13 pin plug which does your exterior lights around the van, as we'll see as we go around. 12 volt to the fridge if your car is wired correctly, and your ATC, so when activated it'll go through its cycle, activate, and then obviously once solid or flashing green means it is correct. On the near side we have your battery locker where you have your battery locker, battery strap and tray to hold it into place, 240 mains inlet, and your isolation key for your power touch motor mover. See around the van. Then we have your filler cap for your toilet chemical, and which you fill up, which then works as flush. Then toilet chemical, toilet cassette where you heat it and put back in. 2 waste outlets, and your water inlet where your umbilical cord slots in like so. Now inside the van. So in the van we have above your door your master, lights, awning light and water pump. So underneath the sofa here we have, which I'm going to tell you what pump, you have your drain off valve facing down in horizontal position. That needs to be facing where it is. Then you can turn on the water pump like so. Then obviously what you're going to do is run the water through all 3 taps to get all the air out of the system. So if we're running cold to hot or hot to cold, obviously in the kitchen and the bathroom. Then below here we have your Audi control panel, so you can have it on or off, internal temperature, water on or off, gas on or off, or 1, 2 or 3 kilowatt. Then you have 2 symbols here, one to show that it's circulating around the van, and one obviously that there's mains connected. Then to turn off, just press off like so. Then we have your domestic fridge. You have mains, so obviously once you've got mains in the van and connected, your fridge will connect to it. 12 volt only works when connected to the car, and if your car is worked correctly, and only maintains temperature already in the fridge. And gas, one on gas, you've got a bottle connected, hold that while holding that, and this little dial here will move all the way to the green when it is working. And to turn off, back in the centre position. And your Thetford oven, you've got 4 gas hobs, controls are here, so you hold these knobs in while pressing the igniter, and same for the grill and the oven. Also down here you have your main consumer unit where you have your 12 volt fuses and your main RCD, where once pressed will test the RCD. I recommend to do it every time you connect 240 to the van, just to make sure it is tripping correctly. Then in the bathroom we have your Thetford toilet flush. The toilet, you hold the button like so, fills the bowl full of toilet chemical, and obviously to wash away all the stuff, and then you use this flap here to push away from you and back to open and close the flap to empty it into the toilet cassette. You also have an alarm fitted, so 1 to arm and 2 to disarm. You also here have your what they call a Bailey nut. Obviously that needs to go on the end of your torque wrench when torquing the wheels, because it has the Bailey nuts on it, so that is supplied. Also have your mover handset, which we'll demonstrate after the internal side. Then you have your book pack with further information about the van and the appliances used. Then we have your winterisation sheet, how to correctly winterise your van ready for the winter periods to prevent any frost damage, which frost damage isn't part of our company warranty, which states here what we do and don't cover. And obviously at the bottom, it states that the van would need to come back to us as it is a back to base warranty. Now for the mover demonstration. On this van you have a power touch motor mover. So you grab your bar and engage it into the multi clunk. Then you get your isolation key, put it in your isolation switch, turn it clockwise, get the handset, hold these two buttons together like so, let it go through its sequence. Then release the handbrake, and then obviously whatever direction you want it to go. Like so, just so you can see it moving. Then once finished, always apply the handbrake first. Turn the controller off by holding these two power buttons here. Turn the isolation key off. And then disconnect the motor from the mover from the wheel by clunking it the other way. Thank you.